How to change your Instagram account from business account to personal account. If you are looking for this tutorial, you have come to the right video, so let's get started. Okay, firstly open your Instagram apps, and after that go to menu setting or profile logo, tap on it and click the three line upper on the right corner, tap on it and go to setting and privacy. And here you can see the business tool, business and add tool, tap on it and you scroll up and you can see switch account type, tap on it and change your type before from business account to personal account, tap on it and click switch to personal account. Okay, and you can see your type account is not your business account again. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.